How to Google reverse image search. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can Google reverse image search on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Chrome app or any browser. You can open any browser. Then here search for duplicate checker reverse image. Search for duplicate checker reverse image and then go to this website. Here scroll down. If you have URL of that image, you can enter here, or you can also search by keyword, but I will show you how to do it through image. So I'm going to tap on upload, then select the image you want to reverse search, and again scroll down and tap on search similar image. Now here tap on Google show matches. And here you will see the results. If you can't find the results you want, go back and tap on Yandex show matches. This is more accurate than Google. So this is how you can Google reverse image search. Thanks for watching.